Okay everyone, so it's a Friday evening and I finally was able to export all the names, all the submissions. There's about 1,074 comments, and it's another reason why I wasn't commenting back, replying to your comments, is because every time I reply it doubles, so it looks like it would look like there's 2,000 something comments. So I left it that way, so this way I know there's about 1,074 submissions. So again, our prizes are: the first two winners will receive a set of Escoda's Travel Set brushes, Series Versatil. So the first two winners. So let's find the first two winners. All right, let's go find someone here. All right, let's see. The first winner that will receive a set of Escoda's Versatil Travel Set brushes is Abigail Coronel. So Abigail, please message me right away when you see this. You're the first winner, and you can message me on YouTube, or what you can do is go to the About section on my channel, and on the bottom there's my email address. It's mariamorjane@gmail.com, but you can go there if you need to make sure that's the email, or you can comment somewhere, and then I'm gonna click to make sure that the name is correct and everything, and then once I confirm that this is you, the winner, I will ask you for your mailing address, and then once I have your mailing address, I am going to send it over to Escoda's factory in Spain. So this is the first winner. Now let's find a second winner for the travel set brushes. Let's get it from here. Let's see. How about this one? It's pretty folded. Let's see. DEVI, and there's a smiley face. All right, so this is the second winner that will receive Escoda's Versatil Travel Set brushes. So that's the second winner. Okay, now the next two winners each will receive a free class at my Teachable School. So the first winner is Beatrice Bizio. I'm sorry, I don't really know how to read this. Beatrice Bizio. I'm not sure, but you're the first winner to receive my Teachable class for free. So please contact me, and again I'll confirm that this is you, and then you tell me which class you would like to enroll in for free. So you're the first winner to receive a free class at my online school. Now the second winner to get a free class, how about this one? It's a pretty big one. All right, so this is the second winner. It's Kuba Puzyński. So sounds Polish. Congratulations, and you're the second winner. So again, please contact me when you see this. You're the winner for the free online class. So please email me, and then I'm going to give you a code. You and Beatrice, I'm going to send you guys codes for a free class. You just have to tell me which class you would like to enroll in for free. So my first two winners for the brushes, again, Abigail and DEVI. And then these two winners are for the free online classes. So congratulations!